I'm very pleased to have back with us my mother, Diane Hunter, talking about those Callaways, which we love.
Yes, we do.
They are so good. I mean, everybody knows them because they have such a great reputation, because they're so trustworthy, and they can buy your home very easily, and their website makes it nice and easy. And I know you have an incredible home to tell everybody about.
And no one is ever disappointed when they use them.
That's for sure.
Yes, and this home is, you will have love at first sight. It's located at 1725 West Burnside Trail in Phoenix. And it's nestled in a gated Sonoran foothills, backing up to a gorgeous green belt. It has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, over 4,000 square feet of living area, and a 3-car garage.
Oh, that's
really
great.
Nice. And when you're going inside, there's a courtyard with a fireplace, so the entrance is really awesome.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, it really is. In the family room, there's also a fireplace. It's actually, the home has 3 fireplaces.
Wow.
So if you like fireplaces, this is a great home for you.
That's the house for you.
It has a wonderful kitchen, beautiful open kitchen with granite countertops. It's an eat-in kitchen, so it's very convenient for the family. The home even has a bonus room in the basement.
Oh,
and
wow.
The bonus room also has an office down there, so that's really convenient too. It has a marvelous master bathroom and master bedroom and master bath, sorry. And then when you go outside, the patio has a large grill area with a misting system, great pool with a waterfall and spa. I mean, it's just super. And priced at only $599,900.
Wow, for that home, that is a steal. So
It
people
really is.
definitely need to go and check it out, or any of their other homes.
I agree.
Thank you.